Before going to topic, let me ask you a question that would you like to build your own business? Would you like to build your own empire, or would you like to build someone else's dream? Because that's the difference between business and job. Job gives you a salary, but business gives you freedom. Jobs offers you comfort, business offers you legacy. Jobs have limits, limited salary, limited growth, limited comfort. But business, there is no limit, only vision, only only opportunities, only success, only possibility. If you be a businessman, you will create a rules, you will create future, you will create workers. Don't you know lions don't work for Jews? They rule the jungle. Basically, business is not just a career, it's a revolution. I have been talking about business and a job, and I show you business is better than job. Now I would like to tell about entrepreneurship. Actually, entrepreneurship is a masterpiece because we can call every entrepreneur is a businessman, but every businessman is not a entrepreneur. Do you know who created Apple? Not a 6 to 5 employee, a college dropout boy, an entrepreneur. And do you know who made Tesla shake the auto industry? A visionary, a entrepreneur, Elon Musk. Do you know the Dr. Muhammad Yunus, who said that job is a wrong idea? Be a job creator, not a job seeker. Before finishing my speech, I would like to say something. Always be a job creator and always be a businessman or a entrepreneur, not seeking for a job. Look at me, I am the age of 21 and I have a own business, and I am the owner of Paredo IT and Ads, and I have invested 4 lakhs plus money, and one day I will be an entrepreneur. And now I am doing my business in Europe, America, and it's a running business, and some of the employees are working in my business.